Hi everyone, welcome back to JK50. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G9 Play 2020 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Next, apply heat on the camera lens and fingerprint reader. Next, to remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, release adhesive strips on the frame. Next, apply heat to the fingerprint button and gently lift the button. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Next, lift the adhesive and disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not broken battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place a new battery in the body and then secure the adhesive. Next, secure the battery plug and place the adhesive. Next, secure the fingerprint button. Next, place and secure the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, place the adhesive strips on the frame. Finally, snap in the back cover and then run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.